it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I want to give a warm welcome to all my new subscribers, of course, and just let you know that I like to do a lot of finished jewelry updates every week or two, and I like to show you what I do with all the beads and findings that I get from the various subscription boxes. And also, of course, bead hauls and places that I shop online, but I don't want to just show you those. I want to show you the finished products of what I'm actually doing with them. So this is the first set that I made, and some of you guys might recognize these awesome purple, like, I don't know if they were called button beads, I can't remember. They're check glass, and we had received some that were similar in the dollar bead box, and they may have come in a past dollar bead box before I was a subscriber. But I did purchase those on the Dollar Bead Box website, where you can go if you're a subscriber and you can purchase multiple different things for just $1 a strand. So I was able to get a strand of these, and I've had them for several months now. I love them so much, and I realized that one of my favorite colors is purple, and I am lacking in purple jewelry, so I had to remedy that. I had to make something. So I had this amethyst as well from bbcraft.com, and I had these glass pearls as well from bbcraft.com. And you guys, I just want to mention real quick that there are some great sales going on, not to interrupt the finished jewelry update, but bbcraft did let me know that all of their items on their online store right now through Tuesday are up to 25% off, and you get an extra 5% off if you use the coupon code BLK5OFF, all in capital letters, and I will flash that on the screen. But they have a lot of great findings and beads. You do want to look for items that ship from the U.S. warehouse if you are located in the U.S. like I am. That way you can get free shipping on their items over $25, but they have lots of stuff on there, so definitely go and check that out because I do recommend them. So anyway, I made these earrings as well. I had gotten these little oval findings on eBay, which I'm going to owe you guys an eBay haul, I think, because I've been getting little like packets in from eBay. If you guys have experience with ordering from them, like if you order any findings or beads from them, that you start to get things trickling in your mailbox one at a time, depending on what you're getting. So they're starting to trickle in, and it's been fun to see what's been in the mailbox. But I made these earrings to kind of coordinate because I used the similar oval links here and just attach a chain on the back. So that's my first set to show you. And by the way, please check out orchidandopal.com. That's my website. If there's anything here that you're interested in, check there first, and you may be able to find that on my website, provided that I've gotten it listed yet. And most of these things you'll see today have been listed. But if there's something you don't see, please reach out to me on any of my social media platforms. I'm happy to respond to you. And all those links are down below. So here's the next set that I thought was pretty fun. I had received some beautiful lapis lazuli gemstone from the Bead Box Bargains website. So you guys may have seen some of the bargain bead box subscription unboxings, and some of you know that they have their own sister site called Bead Box Bargains, where you can go and you can get some very good deals, and they do a lot of times have some gemstone strands. So I did purchase some gemstone strands from them. I felt like I got some good deals. The gemstones look beautiful. These two are rondelle spacers, rhinestone spacers, I guess I should say, from bbcraft.com. They're one of the items they had sent me in the past to review. So I thought they coordinated really well with these dyed river stones that I also got on Beadbox Bargains. And I really like the combination of the cobalt blue and the turquoise color. And then I used these cute little filigree findings from the Beadbox Bargain site as well. We had gotten them in a subscription box, so I thought that came out really cute, just a little bit different, and just finished up the back with a little bit of chain. Then I also made another lapis set that I think turned out pretty great, and this is a asymmetrical design. It's beaded all the way through, and you can see I used different sizes of lapis. And I'll just hold this because it's too thick for me to clip. So I paired the lapis with these beautiful check glass. They're called like flower beads. Of course, they didn't really label things that well in the Check Beads exclusive box, the latest one that I received, if you've seen that unboxing. And I thought they were gorgeous. So when I was looking to do something with the lapis, I thought that those really coordinated well. So I decided to use some of those as an accent and go with kind of an asymmetrical design, and then I paired them with these nice little chandelier earrings, which are very cute, and some other these are check glass as well back here, but I thought it came out really nice. I think this is one of those pieces that could be easily dressed up or down. I think it would look great with denim or a cute dress. So then I had made that classy crescent collar necklace design and had been all excited about it and had to try all different things with it, and I really went all in on that design. But I guess I wasn't done with the crescents. They pulled me back in, even though I was trying to work with some other beads. The crescents just roped me back in. So I was playing with them for a while. I wish I had my little scraps to show you where I made certain things that just didn't work out. I made little sample pieces, because I don't want you guys to think I just sit down every time I'm playing with the beads that everything works out, because it doesn't. But it took me a while, and then finally this came together, and it's kind of like a twist on the classy crescent collar necklace I did, but yet it's not really the same at all. As you can see, you have those crescent beads going in two different directions, but I like how it shows off the fire polish beads in this top strand and the bottom strand. The ones in the middle are the same color pretty much, that dark bronze, as the crescent beads, so you don't see them as much. But the AB on those fire polish, the copper line crystal that were from the dollar bead box, they look gorgeous. And then just as a reminder, I got these crescent beads from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and I guess I should let you know too, they're also having a sale. They're doing a 30% off sale through tomorrow, through tomorrow, Monday, where if you use code BLKFRI in capital letters, they'll give you 30% off, and then they're also offering a 5% cash back, so it's kind of like you're getting 35% off. So that's pretty cool, but I get a lot of my check glass beads from them that I can't find on the dollar bead box, for example. Their quantities are higher than I've seen on some other websites, and the price for the quantity are really good, especially if you can use a coupon code. So I was really happy with how that turned out. I put it on a nice copper, or this may have been a rose gold chain with antique copper findings, but I really think it coordinated well, and I'm happy with that. So of course, when that design came together, that led to a whole nother world of possibilities that I had to play with. So I decided to use the pip beads that I had in between on the bottom, which I think looked really cool. So that's how it looks with the pip beads, and then another antique copper style chain and findings, but really thought that looked nice. That's the other variation that I came up with the pip beads right there, and I still have a lot more to play with this design as well. So more to come, and I would like to do a tutorial on it, so stay tuned for that as well. And I was really limited on the colors of crescent beads that I had. I just want to mention that because I would have used other color variations, but I only had antique bronze, this kind of brownish color. I only had black and white left. So I didn't have a whole lot to pull from. I did order more on Black Friday, and like I said, they are still offering the same sales through Monday. So definitely check that out if you're interested, because you can find some nice deals on those crescents. And then here's the last variation I made with that design. I haven't really come up with a name yet, but we'll see. And anyway, so I only had different, like the black and the white to choose from. I wanted to use something different than that dark bronze color, and I wanted to try something with some drops. I had these beautiful chalk luster check glass drops from the latest Adornable Elements subscription box I loved. These fire polish beads came in one of the recent dollar bead boxes, And these either came in a recent bead box or I purchased them, and same with the middle strand. And then these cute little drops came from the latest Check Beads exclusive box, and I had just enough blue beads that coordinated with these to put them in between. I really like how that turned out as well, and I put it on a stainless steel chain. So that's just another variation. And again, I would have liked to have done other color options and, you know, maybe use something other than black with this, although I think the black looks really nice. But, you know, probably wouldn't have been my very first choice if I had unlimited options. But I really like how it turned out. So that's that for those style. And one more to show you guys. So this was the result of doing some more playing with the crescent beads. And I had one design and it didn't work so well around the neck. It kind of folded up. So I took it all apart and restarted and came up with this. And this was inspired by an earring design that I saw on Pinterest, where it was like this long, and it was just, these were kind of made into earrings. So if I can find that again, I'll put that link below, because I want to give credit where credit is due, even though it wasn't this necklace design at all. I just don't want to step on any toes. But I loved how this turned out, and like I said, it did take some experimentation, because at first it just didn't. But I wanted these kind of chevron shapes to go in two different directions and meet at the neck. And at first I did it, and it just wanted to do this because I didn't have the center part done quite right. It just didn't sit quite right. But now it sits really, really well, and I'd love to do a tutorial on this one too. These are check glass 6mm cabochon beads, 2-hole cabochons. 11-0 seed beads, and again, just the crescents, and I love a good black and white design, so the fact that I had the black and the white crescents left, I knew I wanted to combine them in some way to use in a design like this. So I love how it turned out. I'm also making a bracelet. It's on my bead mat right now. It's in progress, so I will be making a bracelet to go with this as well. But I think it really turned out nice. So you guys, besides the facet jewelry box and the bracelet I made for that, which you can look in my last video and check that out, that's what I've been up to since my last jewelry update. It's been a lot of fun playing with the crescent some more, even though I was really trying to branch out and use some more things. I think I came up with a couple more really nice designs, and I'm very happy with. I love that you guys are so interested in the finished jewelry updates. You know, I do these to help provide you with some inspiration, hopefully, and to show you that I'm not just buying beads, but I'm also coming up with things to do with them. And hopefully it helps you kind of think about different things and different ways that you could use the beads as well, because there are just so many possibilities, and we all have different thoughts on what we want to do with them, and I think that makes it so fun, especially if we're getting some of the same beads and how we all do such different things with them. So yeah, check out those sales this weekend. A lot of them weren't just for Black Friday. They're going through Cyber Monday or beyond. Check out that BB Craft sale, because I know a lot of you have been interested in getting some things from the hauls that I've featured on my channel. So all those coupon codes that I mentioned will be down below as well. And check out my website at orchidandopal.com if there's anything here finished jewelry wise, or if you'd like to see some of the other pieces I've made that are listed, you can check them out there as well. And as always, I am so totally grateful to have you here. You guys are awesome. I love your comments. I love even those who are just watching and maybe don't leave comments. I appreciate you too. I appreciate you all. And I'm very thankful to have you here, my channel. Thankful that you found me. Hope this can be inspiring for you. Hope we can help each other out. Please stay tuned for more to come. I did do a lot of Black Friday shopping. Can't wait to share those hauls with you guys, especially if you like watching bead hauls. That should be fun. Stay tuned for that, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!